Trump's message from South Korea. Meanwhile, Trump also repeated his claims of brokering the May 10 India-Pakistan ceasefire claim. New Delhi has repeatedly denied, insisting it was Islamabad that asked for a reprieve. The United States and India will sign a long-delayed trade deal, Donald Trump said Wednesday in South Korea on the last leg of his Asia tour. Welcome to the Global Affairs Academy. Let's review the remarks of President Donald Trump in South Korea. If you are new on this channel, you can subscribe the channel for such new international updates. The US President's remarks indicate that a deal between two of the world's largest economies is only a question of time. Talks over deal have dragged on for months now, punctuated by squabbles over Russia's war on Ukraine and India buying oil from Russia, and a row over tariff if you look at India and Pakistan. So I am doing a trade deal with India and have great respect and love for Prime Minister Narendra Modi. We have a great relationship, he said. Positive remarks follow reports last week of progress over two of three major points: India's continued imports of discounted Russian oil and the US 50% reciprocal tariff on imports of Indian goods, which includes a 25% penalty for buying that oil. Talks had also stalled over India refusing the US access to its price-sensitive dairy and agriculture goods market, which constitutes a vital voter base for any Indian government. Last week, though, reports said the US had agreed to reduce tariffs to 16% after India agreed to scale back purchases of Russian oil. This was after Trump and Modi spoke on the phone. Though neither side offered details or confirmed the trade-off between tariff and oil, the US is pressing India to allow corn import, arguing that ethanol made from American corn would be used only for blending with petrol and not enter the agricultural market. Also on soybean, meanwhile, is a fallout of the US tariff war with China, as a result of which American soybeans are too expensive for the Chinese. The US therefore wants to sell its soybean surplus to India as protein-rich feed for the country with the most cattle in the world. The Indian government has maintained a firm stand throughout these protracted talks that will not accept any deal that could negatively impact the livelihoods of crores of small farmers. Earlier this month, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar said any deal with the US would have to respect India's red flags, referring to the unfair 25% penalty for buying Russian oil.